Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change location on YouTube. So, let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube app in a device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on general. Then scroll until you find location. Next, tap on it. After that, select the location of country which you want. So, this is how you can change location on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.